In this video, I'm going to talk about the Lightning blending modes, specifically screen, which is the most widely used of them. Here's my starting point. Screen neutralizes black. That makes it a good blending mode to use if you have a subject on a black background and you want the background to just fall away. Let's turn that layer off for a moment, and I'm going to add above the tower bridge layer a color lookup table. I'll use a preset here, night from day, and to get a darkening result I will change its blending mode to multiply. Let's turn the fireworks back on. I'm now going to move them into position. We may see a bit of a seam on the edge, and that's because the background is not completely black. I'll come to a levels adjustment. I need this adjustment to be clipped to the layer beneath so that it only affects that layer. Hold down Option or Alt and click on the line between the two layers. Now I'll get my black point slider and move this ever so slightly to the right. I'll turn those layers off again temporarily and then come to the Select menu and choose Sky. So that's made a selection of the sky, which I am now going to add as a layer mask on the fireworks layer. Selecting that layer, I'll click on Add Layer Mask. It's good to keep in mind that screen and multiply are the opposite of each other. Multiply will neutralize white, as we saw in the previous movie, where we started out with this, a line drawing on a white background. We can make the white background disappear by using multiply. In this case, I would like a white line on the drawing and black type. So I'll come to the type layer first of all, press Command or Control I to inverse those values. I'll do the same thing on the line drawing and then change it from multiply to screen. Once again, screen will neutralize black, multiply will neutralize white.